Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini to create slides. First, clearly define your presentation's topic and target audience. This helps Gemini tailor the content effectively. Next, specify the exact number of slides you need and any key sections you want to include. Finally, ask Gemini to generate a structured outline, detailing the main points for each individual slide. This initial step ensures a solid foundation for your presentation. Once you have your outline, prompt Gemini to generate the actual content for each slide. Be specific about the format you prefer, such as bullet points for key takeaways and short, concise paragraphs for explanations. Don't hesitate to ask for specific examples, statistics, or relevant data to make your slides more informative and engaging for your audience. After receiving the content, carefully review Gemini's output for accuracy, clarity, and overall coherence. If any section feels incomplete or unclear, simply ask Gemini to refine or expand upon it. You can also request suggestions for visual elements, like charts or images, or even design ideas to make your presentation visually appealing and professional. Now, gather all the content Gemini has helped you create and organize it within your preferred presentation software. This is where you add your personal touches, ensuring the slides reflect your unique style. Practice your delivery to ensure a smooth and impactful presentation. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.